All right, everyone, this is Carl with StoneHouse Professional Services. I wanted to go into depth a little bit about pier and beams as far as cedar posts and what we run into on a lot of older homes that we go under. These are actually the cedar posts. These were put back, honestly, I don't even know the dates, but these are old posts. And if you look at this, it's all rotted. This is why cedar posts aren't allowed anymore. They've gotten so old in all these older homes that they're just rotting away. But we run into them every day. We're not allowed to shim off of them. When I say shim, so say your house is sitting unlevel, what we end up doing whenever we do shim a home is we have to raise your beam and put steel plates in between here. But we are not allowed to use cedar posts. So cedar posts absolutely have to be removed. We cannot use them, and we have to pour new concrete posts. I wanted to set this here also so you can see this is what supports your home. This is a beam. And back in the day, they used to use this size. This is actually a 4x4. This is no longer allowed. We have to actually put a 4x6. So what we do, we take these out from under your home and we install a thicker, wider board. And then we pour new concrete posts under it so you no longer have cedar.
Give us a follow on social media for more tips. If you need help with your foundation, you can book a free inspection at 210-879-8521 or online at stonehousewont.com.